Look what did I know them send the girl for me, you know? Then send the girl for fight me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lansco here and I'm back with another video. And today's video is gonna be a story time about how the whole camp tried to fight me. Yes, the whole camp tried to fight me, you know. Me. Poor look at me, you know. Me. I'm not trouble people though. Like, why you trying to fight me? Like, why y'all niggas trying to fight me? What did I do? I do y'all niggas nothing. I didn't do anything for them want to try to fight me. Honestly, I never done nothing at all. But we're gonna jump right into the video. And before I even start this video, guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Click the link, the thing right here. Alright guys, so there you go. So click it, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so when I upload a video you never yet miss it. So turn it on. This on me. I'm going like a couple seconds for to turn it on and thing. Me wait. You do it? You do it? Alright, cool. Alright, so guys, you're gonna hear a lot of noise in the background. You're gonna hear my fan. You're gonna hear a lot of things. Just ignore them and just focus on me. Focus on me and the story. Because the story is a piece of drama, honestly. Alright, so now about I say like 14, 15 on them age there, and every year there's a camp, a sports camp that is held at National Stadium. So every year they will keep us camp at the stadium, a sports camp, and every year my community would go. So this particular year we went, and so it's my community and some other neighboring communities that we all went together in one bus. Right, so obviously your kids, you're gonna meet people, you're gonna make friends and all that. So there were two people from a different community. There were two girls and they were sisters. So I'm telling them, one name Shanique, one name Yannick. And you know guys, you know my real name is Lanik. So it was Shanique. So it's me, Shanique, Yannick, and then so me, Shanique and Yannick, we were like friends, we became friends and we like par hard. Like anywhere them there meet, anywhere meet them there. So we like par. Granted, that was my downfall. I'm sure I never friend them up, and you know, and people like some friend them up, but I'm a friendly person and people always want to be my friend. I don't know why. So hey, but so camp I want good and thing, and you know, so I was a part of netball at that time because you have netball, volleyball, basketball, all kind of something. So me did a netball, so all the way in netball. So like their camp naturally this episode basically it was boys and girls. So it was a unisex thing. It wasn't just only girls, it was boys and girls. They're the camp. Right? So naturally cute, obviously. So you don't know say niggas gonna see me and gonna like me, and you know cause back then the girl was like scrumptious. Anyway, so people will come to me and say, you know, say, girl, that boy that like you, or that girl, you know, the boy accept to them like you know, picnic thing or whatever. So it's like, I know what one, but there's a particular guy that them like Shanique they like. But the thing is, the guy what she like kind of did like me, and then wrote a power around me one, right? And then some other local people in different communities, I don't know them, but them not like me, and I guess them like them too, and it that cause a conflict. So them always come to me and say, yo, you know, say XYZ like you are very serious. And I say, alright, cool. So when them tell me say XYZ like me, them time then them tell other girls say me want to fight them because them like XYZ and mine. So me think them me and them girls are friendly though. While them a set me up with other people for me get beat. guys, hold on, I'm fixing background because it drop on me does. You know why? It's always a come to me, you know, it's always a do this. But I don't know why. Every time I do a video, this background always try to drop off and embarrass me. I don't know why. Okay guys, so I'm back. So like I say, so basically they want to talk behind my back with other people. So apparently the guys are more like me. The other girls are like them. But it's like the two girls, the two sisters, Shanika and Yannick, them know that. But me don't know that because me and even though I can be like friendly, I don't really like talk a lot. Like I kind of introverted in a local way. Like I don't really like kind of talky and up in. I don't really stay, so I kind of like reserved. And if I don't know you, I'm not gonna like up in your face and talk to you. You know what I mean? I'm not like that. So look who did me know them basically think so. I want to say mix up. Mommy like them gossipy, them and gossip. So me I take me and them a friend while they match up with other people and tell life family. So I realize say the guy what them like they run me saying I like okay whatever. Me never like the guy. So the guy we talk about his name was Stanley. So Shani love her Stanley and apparently she wants Stanley to be their boyfriend or whatever. No, granted, I never liked him, I like the nigga, but him always try to talk to me and you know, I bring me things like he was one of you know like you have volunteers, so he was like a volunteer. So him was like a part of you know like the lunches and juice and stuff like that. So him always like I come on me and give me things like juice and things, but as I say I didn't like this nigga, so it was like a problem. I didn't like this nigga, so like me I said like couldn't be actually like so till one fateful day I'm going to the bathroom and thing. Yeah, one excitement I fell back in the bathroom, so I said like what's going on? A random girl. Not if I call her girl, this she was like a butch. She was like a lesbian. She looked like a man. Her face tough. Girl have muscle, but it's strong. You know? Strong up. Like she am strictly dumpling and yam and banana and dashing. Firm up girl. Thick on. It's a light skinned girl, but she masculine, like she's a man, she's a man. Why this girl I come to me, I know this girl, I've seen her around the camp, but I never really talk to her. I'm always every time I youth and them ever like apart, so I never really know her, I never talk to her, I know her, so she just approach me. So she sound like to me, she's like,
so you say you want to fight let's say Keisha, cause Keisha like Matthew.
So I say me, you say me want fight Keisha because she like Matthew. Who tell you that? Why me don't want to fight somebody because I'm like another person? Like, granted, you know, that girl yeah is a real ghetto girl. Like a ghetto girl, strictly patois, no English, just strictly patois. So me with my look, what are you talking about? I do not know what you're talking about. I don't know who this person is. I am not understanding. What are you talking about? This is me, Japan. Granted guys, I'm not a confrontational person. I don't like argument. At this time I never yet fight nobody before and I like that. I never yet in an altercation with nobody. I never yet fight nobody. I never have no like disagreement where physical like physicality, like any physical thing I forgot like never fight nobody before. But my cousin they come from foreign and she want girl like fight, so she teach me the ropes. I kind of didn't know how to defend myself. I never done get beat up, right? So if the war didn't really go on, I could have defend myself. But as I said, I don't want confrontational person like that. I don't really fight on them something. I don't really fight. But if it was supposed to go down, probably would have get beat up because they probably would have gang me. But I would have still fight back. You see me I say? You get me I say? So I say, no, I don't know if I was set now. Like people who me know, like my friend them, from my coming to my door, they come in and say, like, I walk one, so my friend, my thug friend them come in and say, like, yo, I walk one in this for her. for this 10 years. But they met me as because the man said, look, I want one in the store. When I come to her, granted, the same Shani can you girl, I'm not the bathroom with me, you know. Look at it, I know them send the girl for me, you know. Then send the girl to fight me. But I go and like say them, no, not the one. So I don't trust people, you know. That's why I don't trust people, dog. Them girl like they run me like say me and my friend and them send people for come basically come for me. Once I went in the bathroom, you know, somebody must go tell the head camp master or whatever say. So the whole when me in the bathroom, we could hear everybody run come to see. Like they must say, fuck. So we hear one back commotion, come in and say, wow, what's going on in here? So I say, Mr. Chef, fight me. My chef, I don't know what. So now for escort me out of the bathroom to the bus. When them escort me to the bus, the whole camp literally surround the bus. Cause the girl decides say she wanna fight me today. Granted, me don't know why I get beat up for. I don't know why me I get beat up for. I don't know why me I get licked for or why me I get cussing for. So naturally, everybody I want to know what once. Everybody in my bus ask me, say, Lani, but once I tell them say, you know, say when I the bathroom and the girl come to me and I say, she hear say Ray. And whatever, so I say like, I don't know where them get that from. I never say more fight nobody or whatever. I'm not that kind of person. So I say like, why somebody with a really good care me name to tell them say me want to fight them, like me understand. Till Smarty, what did what year when Shani can tell the girl and say me say XYZ, say Lani you know say Shani can carry your name and Ray and blah blah blah. So you say like, what the hell, why am I gonna tell people say me say more like them, but like where I do that for? The girl them want coach me in the bus. The girl them didn't for me the mom fight me. So I say when I call them for like, yo, just not deal with me, not deal with me cause you know when I'm not friend, you still not care my name and people say me want to fight them. And my father said, son, just like standing for the door like it's not my fault. It's not my fault for the guy them like me, it's not my fault. Me not tell people like me. And then just like me, come for the when I can call my name and I carry my name for people. When me really find out that the girl them I really call my name. They said girl them me and my park call up my name to people. Couldn't believe, literally couldn't believe. I was like, honestly, like, all this benefits you. I don't know, from me I grew up, me and girls like don't get along. Like girls always hit me because they get them with them like always like me. And I say like, dog, it's not my fault said guy that you like me, like me can make them like you get me. I say like, I just never understand the logic. So me I say so cut them off clean, slice them, cut them off, you get me? I say, come here, say like that, me and your parents, you got talk, you got call up me if me get beat up, cause one guy you like don't like me, and I'm like me, like, what? Like, make this make sense, how this makes sense, like, how? Like what? How? How? You see me, so like, this is why people can't trust nobody, you know? Cannot trust nobody. The same girl who make me and them apart. Me I share my food with them and give them juice and my sweet and them some of them. Them kind of me love food and I like share food with them and I share my food with them girl, you know? And I'm turn off make girl want to fight me at the camp, you know? Can't believe that? I can't believe that the same people them money and share my things with and something want to fight me because man with them like don't like them and like me. Say like dog, many people like this nigga not even cute, like really still I'm still confused. I say like can't believe it dog. Like from the time from that day them I just cut off people. Like me no keep if me never grew up together like me not make friends with girls, I avoid girl pick me like me avoid them. So like I can always understand when girls say they don't like woman company because too much mix up. Trust and believe I've lived that. Me know hands down what that feel like. And guys, lo and behold, you wanna know say me and Shani Kanyani end up fight a couple weeks after camp. And I did give them some yeah. And as I say, me no want fight, me no one person who like fighting, but I did practice my moves them. I did practice with them, come and decide say No girl now come try her face and again I'm not gonna be ready. So I'm make sure I learn move them, Google. Joke, never Google, but my cousin, as I say, my cousin is a bad guy. Cousin is a fighter. She teach me a lot of movies, the man show me what to do. So I have it on my head, I know what to do next time when I girl step to me the wrong way, you see me? So, 2 weeks after that, 2 weeks after that, me and Shani can fight in the bus.
We attack to Lani.
Grandma, I do a video come from my channel, Grandma. I like my test me I do. But yeah guys, if you don't want to hear about the story when me and Shani can fight, leave the comment down below. I'm telling you all that fight that because the fight they never normal. That fight there never normal. But yeah guys, that's my story time. So this is more than a story. Don't trust people. People are wicked. People are wicked. Don't trust people. Yeah. The same girl in my name a par set me up to get beat up. Make the whole camp. People me never yet see come in my bathroom to help gang fight me. And then this is a real get up people, like people come from down them like all Mountain View one. Them place they like place I not even know where them place are there, but you know so them place a bad place, you know. Them people they wanna fight me. Fight me, you know. So look how most them get killed. Look how most them kill me down right camp. Yeah. Cause a man, cause a boy, cause a y'all niggas yo. Females weird, you know, like you gotta make a girl get beat up because I want a nigga like me not understand. A nigga when not even want to like me just to understand how that work. How that makes sense. Guys, right now when I think about this and it's like I still can't understand like how that makes sense. Don't get them mentality from like and so like this serious. Well guys, if anything like this ever happened to you before, comment down below guys. Up to now I still can't really fathom why this even they reached me in the first place. Like man say like I just understand what that would I do for them if me just not understand. Like if you guys want to hear about how me and Shani can get in a fight, let me know down below, leave a comment on the door. Don't forget to like that video and you know share it with a friend. And guys, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you never miss a video, never miss an upload, never miss nothing from the channel, right? And if you want to watch my other videos, I'm gonna leave some here and here so you can watch those other videos. And follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at Lansco Love and on Twitter at Lansco876. Yeah, so until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you for watching guys. See you on my next one. See you guys later. Bye.
Shut up your mouth, man.